All right, guys, tonight we are getting started on some shade for the pool here. As you can see, we have a pool here, right? And there's no shade. And we're here in Arizona, and it's super hot. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what we're doing. I started recording a little late. I'm gonna show you what we've done so far. And so I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see my son right there. He's helping me out today. We have a hook up there, and we have some what do you call these, honey, right here?
Triangular shades.
Triangular shades. Okay, so we're gonna do it from there. By the way, that's my wife right there. Hi, honey.
Hi, baby.
She's watching me work.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do this from there to here. My son and I, we already dug a hole there for one post. Okay, we're gonna put it right there, and then we're gonna go to the next one, which is right here, right there. So this is gonna be the other post. Okay, we have the concrete right there, another concrete bag right there. So we're gonna mix that up in a bucket, and we're gonna put it in that hole. And that's the plan. Okay, as you can see, we have a big pool and we don't have any shade, nothing, and it's really gets really hot. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I will bring you in a little closer when we start working on the next step, which is mixing up the concrete and pouring that concrete in these holes right here. My son is gonna be recording me for a little bit while I start mixing up. So here is, right, son? All right, here is the concrete. We're gonna use some of this. Now I'm ready to pour that in there, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. And I have my level here to make sure this post is going to be straight this way and that way, every direction. We want it straight. So first thing we're going to do is pour a little bit of concrete and then start working the post each direction to make sure it's level. Side right here. Okay, so right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure it's straight. Okay, it's right there. There. All right, we're gonna add more concrete right now. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna make sure it's level. Let's see. Gonna go this way. Okay, right there. And right there. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is just gonna hack it down a little more. Make sure that's gonna hold. Okay, looks like I'm gonna need a little more concrete. It's about right there. Okay, I'm gonna mix a little bit more concrete. I'll be right back.
Have it on normal recording. Okay, he's back with more concrete.
All right, now I'm gonna make sure it's level because this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna pour concrete here. So I want to make sure it's level. Okay, perfect right there. Perfect right there. All right. All right, so we're gonna get ready to do the next one.
He's bringing over the light, so we have a concrete over here. Good concrete. And then we're gonna pour it into this hole right here. This part right here is support. And yeah, so here's the real process instead of time lapse. First, this fog, and then you have to mix it.
All right, just perfect. All right, because we want this to be completely dry by the morning. So I don't want to be pulling on this hose at all. I want this completely dry. It's hot out here, so we want this to be good. And it will be. It's gonna be dry really quick. All right, I'm gonna pour this in there. Okay. First thing we need to do is, son, can you hold this right here a little bit? Just right there. A little more. Okay, right there. So now, I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna finish pouring the rest of this. Okay, I want to make sure it's level. Let's see. All right, got my bubble in the middle right there. Let's see this one here. Oh, this one here needs to go this way a little. Out. I need to add a little more of this. Okay, this one here is good. This one's good. That one is good. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this.
I know this concrete process is takes a little too long sometimes.
Not that.
It's a little too watery.
All right, so we're gonna let that dry one last time. Let me check on my level. You guys see it there? Can you see it? Right on the money. Let's see this one here. Right there. Right there, right on the money. Let's see this one here again. Okay, right there. And right there. Okay, good. So, this is all we're gonna do for now. There's nothing else we can do. We already got everything set up on this side, that side, all four corners, all 4 points. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna let this cure overnight, and then in the morning we're gonna continue with the rest. So this was part 1 of the video. I believe we're gonna finish it tomorrow, right, son?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to share, even better. Thank you. Okay, guys, so this is the next day here. The concrete already is 100% cured and it's ready to go. Now I can, as you can see, this is sturdy. I'm going to show you here what the concrete looks like right there. So it's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Now I can move it around. I can do whatever I need to do. So let's see. Now walking over this way, same thing over here. Concrete's already cured. It's really hard, and these posts aren't going anywhere. What I'm gonna do next is I'm ready to install the hooks on top of the pole. I'm gonna put a hook right there and another hook on top of that one, so I can install the shade from this pole to the roof, and then from there it's gonna come all the way to that one, and then from the middle it's gonna go all the way to the corner of the house. And as you guys can see, this is our pool and it has 0 shade. The shade, we start getting some shade after 5-6 o'clock, so hopefully this is gonna work, and I will keep you guys posted. All right guys, so I'm done setting up, installing the shade over the pool, and it came out okay. It came out all right. I like it. We might add, I think we're gonna add another piece of that shade over the pool, maybe 2 pieces more. I'm gonna let you guys see what I did. All right, so start over here. This is my hook point number 1 right there, and then paracord all the way to the first D-ring right there, and that's what it looks like. And it gives a little bit of shade. And then this is the other one. This post is the one I was installing yesterday. So this is point. This is the second hook right here. So that's what I did right there. Okay. Okay, so let's walk over to number 3 right here. This is number 3. Okay. Everything's backfilled and gravel is put back. This is another hook right there. It's got adjustment. There it is. See, it's not bad. Okay, and this is the last one right there. It goes on top of the roof right there, and then it goes another piece of string of paracord all the way down there. It's really hard. I mean, it's stretched. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We're gonna add another triangle right here from this point all the way to here, so we can have more shade in this area. There's gonna be one more piece right there, and like I mentioned before, we're gonna have another piece, another triangle like that from here all the way to that pole right there, right here, so we can have this covered as well. Okay, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, let me know.